Okay, so I wanted to give this quick overview of a workbook that I created to track all of my manufacturer recommended Honda CR-V maintenance. This document kind of outlines two schedules based on two different conditions and different recommendations as for miles or time. So I've broken that down in the spreadsheet and then created a sort of a cheat sheet. Now the schedule itself didn't go past 120,000 miles, so I took the pattern basically and extended it down per activity. Here I went through my old records and then I tried to correlate the work that was done with the activities that were recommended as well as the mileage when it was last done. I also added a few other categories that I found in the notes of activities that I want to track. Then I took a max value of the mileage per activity. So I want to know basically in an upcoming table, when was the last time I had this done, or what was the mileage of my car the last time that I had this activity done. So here I calculated for this activity what was the max value. And then for the next column, when is the next time I need to have this done under the rule? And then I gave that a status. And then per schedule, I have kind of a view of what needs to be done based on the conditions I've been driving in the last 6 months or last year. Oh, and the last page is a dashboard. I called this last service number in the previous table. And then here I just created pivot tables from the maintenance upcoming page, and I'm just pulling out the vital and the moderate activities. If it's good, I don't need to do it. I could also just filter this table, but I was playing around with creating a dashboard.